Hello students, a very fresh morning to all of you. In our previous class, we have solved problems related to what? Nature of roots, or we recognized that whether the value is real or not, and after that we have calculated the value of x. Today we will use the formula that is known as quadratic formula. See, completing the square method, I think now it's clear to you. So today we will solve the questions which will be based on quadratic formula, so that you know that d is equals to b square minus 4ac, and accordingly we proceed. So our question is, using quadratic formula, solve for x. P square x square plus p square minus q square x minus q square is equals to 0. So for this, what we have to do? For solving this, what we have to do? First of all, let us write the expression. That is p square x square plus p square minus q square x minus q square is equals to 0. After that, you compare it with the equation what? Ax square. Now compare it with what? Compare it with the expression ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What we will get? We get here a is equals to p square. Okay. B is equals to what? P square minus q square. And c is equals to what? And c is equals to minus q square. Now what we have to do? We will use the formula. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. Let us write b square. P square minus q square whole square minus 4a is our p square and c is our minus q square. Is that okay? So let us break it. This one, see, p square. So this will be become how much? A square p to the power 4 minus 2 p square q square. Is that okay? A square minus 2ab plus b square minus minus plus 4 p square q square. Now see, 4 minus 2, it becomes 2. So it will be written in the form p square plus q square whole square is greater than 0. Is that okay? So we can say that the given equation has what? It will have real roots. And we know that how to find the root. So let us find alpha is equals to minus b. So minus b is what? Minus p square minus q square plus minus. So first we will take plus. Okay. After that, minus b plus minus. So plus we have taken b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, how much we got? P square plus q square by 2a. 2p square. Is that okay? So this becomes how much? This becomes q square by, this becomes what? This becomes q square by what? P square. Square by p square. Is that okay? Similarly, beta. So beta will be as it is, minus p square minus q square. Instead of plus, what we will write? Minus. Again, p square plus q square by what? 2p square. Whole thing get cancelled. Minus p square minus p square minus q square, and this becomes whole thing get cancelled. So what will left here? Minus 2p square by what? 2p square minus 2p square by 2p square. So this get cancelled and this is equals to minus 1. Is that okay? So in that way we will solve the questions. Is that okay? Similarly, you try to solve the next question. Accordingly, you follow the next question and solve, and please tell the answer of the second question. See, our question is what? Next question is, using quadratic formula, solve for x. Using quadratic formula, solve for x. So you have to solve. Using quadratic formula, solve for x, and you have to solve and tell the answer. 9x square. After that, minus 9a plus bx plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equals to 0. Is that okay? Using quadratic formula, solve for x. 9x square minus 9a plus bx plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equals to 0. This much for this class, and next question we will solve in the next class. So have a good day.